Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. It's weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And with all the chaos going on nationwide with the situation with the coronavirus, at least we're not dealing with any additional problems as far as weather is concerned. It's actually fairly quiet across the United States today, and the only spots that are having any sort of issues are places where they're not really impacting a large population. For example, up the Sierra Nevadas in California and points further north into the mountains in south central Oregon, where we've got winter storm warnings up and some winter weather advisories. Big snows there, but you would sort of expect that. Otherwise, from coast to coast, we are fairly silent, and that's a good thing. And of course, we're starting out the day with clear skies, and we have had seen temperatures really chill off during the overnight as we drop to the 20s and low 30s. And while we will see temperatures obviously go up today, we're probably not going to get much out of the low and mid 40s in areas from Philadelphia north and east, and maybe upper 40s to some lower 50s as you go south and west of Philadelphia toward Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. In the meantime, we are also seeing an increase in cloud cover, and you can see moisture that is streaming from the southwest out of Mexico and Texas and pushing northeastward into the middle Mississippi Valley. This is the next cold front that is going to be moving through, and it's producing some showers across Missouri down into Arkansas and parts of eastern Texas. By the way, you can see the plentiful moisture that's coming in off of California and moving northward up into those areas where we have the winter storm warnings. There's a little bit of precipitation running across the northern lakes and up through the Dakotas and northern Rockies, and in the east, it's fairly quiet. A couple of patchy showers up offshore, but in the northeast, we don't have any precipitation to worry about for today. It's high pressure to the north. This is a chilly high that we're seeing here that is up in Quebec and has built southward, so that chilly air has bled down to the south into Virginia and into the Carolinas. So we are now going to wait for this next weather system that is starting to come out from the southwest and head up toward the Great Lakes. So that's going to bring showers here into the northeast and allow temperatures to bounce up just a little bit. So checking from the overnight models here, we have no problems, obviously, for the rest of the day. There is a little bit of an inverted trough, by the way, off the North Carolina coast, and you see these showers here that the model indicates this evening just off the Carolinas and offshore. And this is going to be running out to the northeast. Some precipitation, mostly in the form of rain, although you see a little bit of snow up in the Catskills and points northward for overnight into Tuesday morning. And then this whole complex moves out to the east, and then weather conditions improve as we go through Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night into Wednesday. So whatever we see in terms of any showers around overnight into Tuesday morning really shouldn't amount to too much. Weather conditions improve, as we said, for Tuesday afternoon. High pressure builds in. It's another chilly high that comes in for Wednesday, so Wednesday should be dry. And then we have a more important weather system that'll be coming eastward out of the Rockies, shooting some moisture ahead of it with a warm front, and that means rain coming in Wednesday night into Thursday morning with some snow up in northern New England, and then that moves away, and our winds start to gradually go around to the southwest, and a more important low heads up towards the Great Lakes with some showers Thursday night into Friday morning, and again Friday afternoon with a cold front going by. So ahead of that front, I think we could see temperatures climb up well up into the 60s and even into the 70s if we could manage to get some sun in the mix when we get to Friday. Then that cold front goes through, and we turn colder and drier for the weekend, the first weekend of spring, by the way. So most of this week is a relatively uneventful adventure. I guess that's the best way to describe it. And when we look at forecast high temperatures for today, we're looking at highs. Again, you move south towards southern Pennsylvania down into Maryland and Virginia, you're looking at 50 or better. If you are north and east of Philadelphia and you head up toward New York City and into the Hudson Valley, it's more like low and middle 40s. Then for Tuesday, we will be up into the low 60s in areas from northeast Virginia to southern New Jersey, but that onshore flow will hold on, and temperatures will only be in the low 50s from New York City north and east, and into the upper 40s as you move further north from there. Wednesday, looking at highs mostly in the 50s everywhere. And then for Thursday, we are going to, again, getting into that next weather system, so waiting for the warm front to go by, upper 40s and low 50s as you go north and east of Philadelphia, upper 50s to mid 60s as you go south and west. And then Friday, again, if we play our cards right, we could see temperatures up into the low and mid 70s just about everywhere. Spring arrives on the 19th, okay, which is Thursday, and it's also St. Joseph's Day. And of course, tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, but with parades canceled nationwide, weather becomes a bit less important. But again, watch for the possibility of a few showers overnight into tomorrow morning, and then weather conditions will improve during the afternoon. So our schedule today is for the Joe and Joe Weather Show on my YouTube channel, Joe Cioffi Weather. That's tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern Time, so do join us for that. And of course, you'll have weather updates as we go through the day on my free weather app, the Meteorologist Joe Cioffi Weather app, and Angry Men's Weather app, the Angry Weatherman, which you can download for free on Google Play or on the App Store. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.